Hi guys, so today I show you how to work with foil on the nails. I prepare for you two different foils, nail art foil and transfer foil. I will show you the difference as well, how to use them correctly. First I will apply black color from Kohana 003 on the two tips. And first I will demonstrate how to use nail art foil in mermaid blue color. You can see the foil is see-through and is shiny from both sides. This foil we cut in very small pieces and then we apply them on the nail in desired shape. Smaller pieces are better. Doesn't matter what side will you use because both of them are shiny. The next step I will apply a base, Pro Base from Kohana. Without curing the base, I will apply the small pieces of my nail art foil. I put foil on the middle and on the sides of the tip. The Pro Base has very nice thick consistency, that's why the foil nicely dip in it. When you're happy with your design, cure everything in the lamp and then put top coat all over to secure the foil. Now it's time for transfer foil Blue 3D. You can see the difference straight away. One side of the foil has nice color and is shiny, and other side is without the color and it's quite matte. And now again I apply the Pro Base on the tip, but now I cure Pro Base for 30 seconds in LED lamp. After curing, I stick matte side of the foil into the sticky, cured Pro Base. And in the end, I apply top coat all over to secure my design. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.